What's going on, you guys? My name is Hartley, and in this video we are going to talk about trading journals and why you need one, as well as a couple different options that you can use for your journal. Here we go. Okay, so trading journals, let's just start right from the top. So what is a trading journal? Well, it's really simple. It's basically the equivalent of a pilot's flight log. A pilot's flight log tracks every flight they make, and it's basically a history of what they've done in their career. A trading journal is sort of the same idea. It is a log of your trades, your strategies, and your mindset going into those trades, as well as your entry and exit points that you can then look at and use to determine how you can improve or eliminate some negative habits. So why do you need a trading journal? Well, the number one reason you need a trading journal is because trading softwares don't provide you with analytics. And so that's where you can pull those analytics from to refine your strategies and become a better trader, is through your trading journal, not through your trading software. Secondly, it helps you identify winning strategies. So if you notice that you're buying the bounce and you're successful 90% of the time, but on the breakouts you're not doing very well at all, you're successful under 50%, your journal is going to help you identify those trends and help you improve your trading strategy. Thirdly, it's going to measure your performance. It's going to measure your win percentage, your average win, your average loss, and all the different metrics that you are going to want to keep track of in order to improve your trading. Fourthly, it's going to help you identify mistakes. If you see that you're feeling FOMO every time you make a mistake, or that you are taking a specific action and you are losing a trade very consistently, your journal will help you realize that, and it will also help you reflect on your trading at the end of the day, at the end of the week. You can look back on your trading and say, how well did I perform and how can I improve? So let's just touch base on that first point once again. So on the right hand side here, you can see a screenshot of literally my trading screen. These are my orders in the last 90 days. All I did is take a screenshot, and this is what Questrade tells you. Now, it's real great, gives you lots of details about each order and when you placed it and how it was placed, but it gives you absolutely no information with regards to your analytics, such as your trading win percentage, your average gain, average loss, best strategy win rate, best time of day to trade, the trades per day, and your trading calendar, so that you can actually visually see red and green how well you're doing. And so Questrade, Thinkorswim, none of these platforms give you any of that kind of analytics, and so that's why the number one reason that you're going to want to create a trading journal. Now, when you create a journal, there's a couple different options. Number one is make your own Excel sheet. You can basically keep track and import your data from your trading software into an Excel sheet and then analyze it there. Option number two is to use my Excel sheet. It is linked down below. It is going to be totally free for 2 weeks. After that, you'll have to sign up for it in my Patreon. When you sign up for Patreon, you also get my weekly watch list, all of my technical analysis, and access to our Discord chat, where everybody that's gone through my courses has access and will be able to contribute to the chat there. The third option is to sign up for TraderSync. Now, TraderSync is an online platform that gives you much more analytics than you'll ever be able to get from Excel. However, you do have to pay for it. It is on a monthly or yearly subscription. I have linked that below because I do think it is the best journal that you can create. It is better than any Excel sheet you think you'll be able to do. So it is linked there in case you want to check that out. I will walk through it in this video. And then the last one is other online subscriptions. There are plenty of online softwares out there that will be an electronic and online digital journal for you. They're great out there, but I do recommend TraderSync if you're going to look for one of those. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, so here's the trading journal that I made on Excel. Now, it's super easy. There's nothing complicated about this. It is designed to be a framework that you can build on. If you want to add in more KPIs or you want a different feature, all you have to do is plug it into the Excel sheet and you can build onto what I have here. Now, super simple. All you have to do is go in here and fill out your trading log. So for us, we're trading on Monday. We're going to trade Apple. The strategy for us was to buy on support, and we had our target hit. We made $150 on this trade. Now, the next trade was still on Monday, but we traded Microsoft, and the plan here was to buy a breakout. However, we put in a trailing stop loss, and unfortunately, we got stopped out at $50. We played one more trade on Monday. This one was for Tesla. We bought it on the breakout. It was another trailing stop, and we got stopped out with another $150 profit. Now, as you can see, all we did was fill in our 3 trades there, but you can see our average win was $150, our average loss was $50, our risk to reward ratio was 300%, our largest win was $150 and $50, our total wins was $300 in total loss was $150, and our trading profit was $150. So really nice. All you have to do takes 5 seconds, fill in your trades from the day, and it will give you some of the main KPIs that you want to look at. And when you're done this month, all you do is copy and duplicate the page and create month 2. And then there's a summary page here where you can start to add in all of your profit, your risk reward ratios, and all of the information from the different months on the left here. And it will start to spit out a graph that starts to give you information with regards to trending, how much money you're making each month or losing each month, as well as what is your risk return ratio on a chart format. Now, this is really nice. It's a great starting point, and it's really good if you're great with Excel, you want to build onto it. It's here, it's free to use for the next little while. However, if you're looking for something a little bit more professional, what I would recommend is TradeSync. Now, TradeSync is a software platform where, as you can see, I can keep track of every single trade I've ever made. It displays it on a calendar like this, and then when we go to the dashboard, you can see all of my trades that we've made. So annual return, win rate, loss rate, average return, and all of my trades here broken down by the strategy and how I was feeling mentally. Now, the nice thing here is when you go to reports and you go to overview, you can pull so much more data from TradeSync than you would ever be able to pull from an Excel sheet. Let me show you what I mean by this. So a cumulative return, and then you can see every stat you would ever want to look at is down here and laid out. And if you want to dive in more, you can see it. What is your best trading by the hour? You can see for me, it's from that 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. period. So if you go down, you can go to the weekday, you can go to the mistakes, you can go by different strategies, you can look at whatever works best for you, and you can figure out how to improve your trading based on the analytics in here. So if you're interested in signing up for TradeSync, I do have a link down below for that as well. If you're looking for something simple, I would recommend starting off with Excel. Now, just quickly in summary, let's cover a couple quick points. Okay guys, so in summary, you need to have a trading journal. A trading journal is the equivalent of a pilot's flight log. You can't go without it. You need to have it to keep track of your trades, analyze your trading, and improve your trading over time. Secondly, you can start with an Excel sheet, but I do recommend TradeSync. They're extremely good at taking in all of your information. All you do is upload it from Questrade into TradeSync or whatever platform you use. It will analyze all of that data and give you the dashboard exactly like what you saw in this video. It is extremely helpful and much better than anything you'll ever get at Excel. You don't ever have to worry about messing up the formula. And lastly, find a strategy with profitable metrics. That is the whole goal of using a trading journal, is to improve your trading, find a strategy that works for you, and slowly refine and hone in that strategy so that you can improve your trading and make more money. That is the entire goal of trading the stock market. That is why you need to have a trading journal, and that is why I made this video. So if you get any value out of it, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. I sincerely appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Here we go.